Now, let us start the chapter, Sets. We will start this chapter with the basic question. What is a set? And the answer for it is, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. This is the definition of set. Here, we need to focus on the term, well-defined. What does well-defined means? Well-defined means something which cannot vary or change. Let us consider some examples to understand more about well-defined. Consider first four odd numbers. We all know that the first four odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, and 7. This is well-defined because nobody can change first four odd numbers. Whatever happens, the first four odd numbers will be always 1, 3, 5, and 7. Therefore, this can be considered as an example for a set. Next, consider the example, vowels in English letters. The vowels in English letters are A, E, I, O, U. This is also well defined because, whatever happens, vowels in English letters will be always A, E, I, O, U. Therefore, this also can be considered as an example for a set. Now, let us consider an example to understand the term, not well defined. Best 3 jobs in the world. Clearly, this is not well defined because it depends upon the people. Different people consider different jobs as the best. Therefore, it is not well defined and cannot be considered as an example for a set. Remember, a set is a well-defined collection of objects. If a collection of objects is not well defined or keeps changing, then it cannot be a set.